Hi everyone.
Hi.
I'm here with Nolan today, and we're doing some AutPlay highlights. And you may know what we've got here, or you may not. If you're not familiar, this is Meebie.
And this is baby Meebie.
That's right. And we're going to highlight Meebie today and kind of talk about how we use Meebie with kids with autism. And Nolan's going to help me demonstrate some stuff. So let's start with the big one, Nolan. This is the big Meebie. And look how big he is. Can you stand up so people can kind of get an idea? He is pretty big, isn't he?
I can put it on the ground to me.
Well, they might not be able to see you over there. I don't know.
Oh, he's up to my, if you can't see, he's up to my waist.
Yeah, he's a pretty big guy. And very soft and very squishy. Right?
And as you can see, he doesn't have a face, but if you look on his back,
yeah, we'll show him.
He has a little pack of things you can put on his face.
Yeah.
Like, and the
look
little
at all this
things in
stuff. Let's kind of spread these out so people can see them, right? So the way this works is when you buy Meebie, the doll,
She comes with these.
Yeah,
And you
comes
can-
with several.
And you can take them off and put them on hold.
Yeah, just like that, right? You can make different faces. Why don't you make something, make a design on Meebie where I talk about how we use Meebie with kids with autism, okay?
Okay?
And then we'll take a look at what you made.
I'm gonna make a happy face.
So when I use Meebie with the kids that I work with autism, we do it a couple different ways. One way is that we just leave Meebie out in the playroom, and sometimes kids just gravitate toward the Meebie doll and they will make something with Meebie, they will play with him in different ways, you know, very child-led, whatever kind of ideas they have and what they would like to do. Some of them might make a face and talk about it, or want to do something, some particular design with Meebie. And what's really great is all these are Velcro, and they stick onto Meebie very easily. And when you purchase Meebie, there's a whole variety of faces and different objects you can get. There's hearts, band-aids, all kinds of things, buttons.
And you can make any emotion you want, like there's angry, happy, whatever this is. Well, if you can see.
You just can make the faces, right? Which is really cool. And that's another way, actually, that we use Meebie with kids with autism is I might give a more structured activity where I will say, let's make a certain kind of face on Meebie. Let's make a sad face or a happy face or an angry face. And then we'll kind of see if the kids know what that face might look like. And then we can talk about, you know, what might be making Meebie happy or sad or mad. What would be something that would give him that feeling? So we can begin to talk about feelings and put them in a context and try to help kids even with autism maybe relate it back to their own life. What are some feelings like that they might have, and what would their face look like if they were making that feeling? Which is a little bit more structured way to use Meebie, but kids tend to gravitate toward him for sensory reasons because he feels really soft. The Velcro is really nice. And so there's sort of this natural engaging element where then we can take it and do a structured activity kind of focused on emotions and make a lot of progress with that. But we don't want to forget, are you all finished with your creation, Nolan, first of all?
Almost, yeah.
Okay.
But
okay.
not yet.
Okay, you're so worried. Well, I'm going to talk about mini Meebie while you're
you.
finishing up, okay?
Yeah, I was making him to go with me.
Oh, okay. There'll be a duo.
Yeah.
So now there's also mini Meebie, and mini Meebie's so little.
And you can take off his face
You
and
can
change
take
his
off
face.
his face, and guess where all the faces are stored? Right here in his belly button. And we pull some of them out, okay? And you can pick one to put on him.
It's kind of weird thing. Oh my goodness, Daddy.
Yeah, there are several.
Look at this crazy one I found.
Well, is that the one you want to put on him? There's all kinds of faces you can stick on him.
This one. It's cool.
Okay, you want to try this one?
I think people in the camera would think it's happy.
He looks happy. But you know what you can also do with Mini Meebie?
What?
You can put the other pieces on him.
Whoa.
All the Velcro pieces work with Mini Meebie too. So if you have some for your big Meebie, you can use them for your Mini Meebie. I think you had this on his head, which was kind of cool. It looks like a hat, right?
Yeah, I was using it as like a little police hat.
So you can order Mini Meebie or Big Meebie,
And if you
or
really,
both.
And yeah, I was gonna say if you really want to, you can order both.
I like having both, obviously. And we'll put up the link to where you can go online and read more about Meebie and purchase Meebie if you want to. But I found the Meebies to be a really nice addition to my playroom and provide another element in working with kids on the spectrum, especially to help them with maybe some emotional regulation, emotion identification, and or some sensory work. So that's a little bit about Meebie. Do you like Meebie, Nolan?
I think she's pretty fun.
I think you...
She has some creepy faces, but I think she's pretty fun.
Well, you can make creepy faces, right? If you want to. Any kind of face, really. So you've got yours set up. We can kind of look, let's take a look and see what you created here. I like it. Is there anything you want to say about this?
Well, yeah, so, no. Yeah, so like, this mom and his baby Meebie are going to the store. So they went to the store and they are taking a picture together. And he bought a police hat at the store.
I like that
And
story.
they're taking a picture together.
So they're having some hangout time and they're getting a little special moment in there, huh? Well, it sounds like fun for them, right? I think we're ready to say goodbye. So let's say goodbye to everybody who's watching.
Okay.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we will see you next time. Bye.
Bye.